Hey, I'm Joe, and simple and easy to make recipes is my middle name. I can only imagine that we all want some recipes that will make in a second are healthy and delicious. This being said, let me tell you about tomato salad with onion. For this you need tomatoes, red onion, lemon, and olive oil. I'll start by cutting the tomatoes. I'll add the red onion. I'm only gonna use half of the onion. I'll add the lemon. I'll add the olive oil. And I will mix everything. This salad is healthy, is tasty, and you make it in no time. Enjoy it and subscribe for more delicious and easy to make recipes to Joe's Baby Friendly Recipes channel. Keep in touch. Bye!